In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell AliExpress products on TikTok Shop. We're keeping it simple and practical. You'll learn how to open an AliExpress account, find the exact product your customer ordered, place that order so it ships straight to them, and then update the order on TikTok Shop so everything stays clear and professional. First, open an AliExpress account. Head to the website, sign up, and set your preferred currency and shipping country so prices and delivery estimates are accurate. Add a secure payment method and double-check your account settings. This makes checkout fast and reduces mistakes when orders come in. Next, search for the specific product you want to sell or the item your customer has already purchased from your TikTok shop. On the results page, compare sellers carefully. Look for strong ratings, detailed reviews with photos, and clear shipping timelines. Open the product page and confirm the correct variant, like size or color. Check the delivery options and estimated arrival dates to make sure the timeline matches what you've promised on your TikTok shop listing. A reliable shipping method with tracking is worth it for peace of mind. When you're ready, click Buy Now on that product. At checkout, select the exact variant again to avoid errors. Enter your customer's shipping details exactly as they provided them. Small typos can cause delays, so copy them carefully. If there's a note or message box for the seller, politely request no promotional materials or invoices be included in the parcel. Choose a shipping option that offers tracking and a reasonable delivery window, then confirm the total and place the order. After payment, keep an eye on the order page in AliExpress. As soon as a tracking number becomes available, copy it. Now go back to your TikTok shop, open your customer's order, and update it with the carrier and tracking number. Mark the order as shipped. It's a good idea to send a short, friendly update to your customer, letting them know the order is on the way, sharing the tracking details, and summarizing the expected delivery window. This builds trust and reduces support questions. Finally, monitor the tracking progress. If anything changes, update your customer proactively. When the package shows delivered, follow up to confirm they received it and that everything matches the product description. That simple check-in can turn a one-time buyer into a returning customer. And that's the process. You sell on TikTok Shop, fulfill through AliExpress, and keep customers informed. No inventory needed.